Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a hotel front desk. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two hotel receptionists and their guests. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many times has the VIP guest, Ms. Carter, stayed at this hotel? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Hannah. You are early today.
Good morning, Ethan. I wanted to read the notes from the night shift first.
That is a very good habit. I just finished reading them. Let me share the day with you.
Yes, please. What is the plan?
We have 30 rooms checking out by 11. Then we have 4 hours to clean before check-in at 3.
30 rooms. That is a lot of work.
One room takes about 30 minutes to clean, so the team needs all 4 hours.
I always wondered why check-out is at 11 and check-in is at 3.
Now you know. Those 4 hours are not empty time. They are working time.
That makes sense.
Good. Next, a business group of 10 people will check out at 10. Some will ask for paper receipts.
Got it. I will have the printer ready.
The morning will be quiet for phone calls, but the afternoon will be busy.
Why busy in the afternoon?
Many people call after lunch to book a room for the weekend.
Okay, I will keep the phone close.
And one more thing. This is the most important note for today.
Oh, what is it?
Ms. Carter is checking in this afternoon. She is one of our regular guests.
Ms. Carter. I think I have heard that name.
A very kind lady. She comes here often for business.
Is there something special I should do for her?
I will take care of her check-in myself, but please be friendly if you see her.
Of course. I will not forget the name. Miss Carter.
Good. Now let us open the front desk. The first guests will come down soon.
I am ready. Let us start the day. Good morning, sir. Are you checking out today?
Yes, please. Room 412. The name is Davis.
Thank you, Mr. Davis. One moment, please. Let me find your room.
Take your time.
Here we are. Room 412. You stayed 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, 2 nights. The room was very nice, quiet and clean.
Thank you. I will tell the cleaning team. Did you have anything from the minibar?
Just 1 bottle of water last night.
1 water. Your total today is $210.
That is fine. Here is my credit card.
Thank you. Just a moment, please.
Oh, and one more thing. Can I get a printed receipt? My company needs it.
Of course. Most business guests still prefer a paper copy.
Yes, my office is very careful. If I do not have a paper receipt, they will not pay me back.
I understand. They always want paper. I will print it now.
You know, I always thought express checkout was a great idea.
You mean leaving the key in the room and walking out?
Yes, I think a big American hotel started it in the 1980s.
Oh, really? I did not know that.
But for business trips, I still need the paper. One day my company will accept email receipts, but not yet.
Maybe in a few years. Here is your receipt and your card. Have a safe trip back, Mr. Davis.
Thank you. The service was very good. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Front desk. This is Ethan speaking. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to book a room for next Friday and Saturday.
Of course. 2 nights. May I have your name, please?
My name is Lee. Lee.
Thank you, Miss Lee. Let me check our rooms. One moment, please.
Sure.
We have a double room available for both nights. The price is $120 per night.
Actually, I saw a price on booking.com. It was a little cheaper.
May I ask what was the price you saw?
It was $110 per night.
Thank you. Actually, we can give you $10 off if you book direct.
Oh, really? That is the same price as booking.com.
Yes, when you book direct, we can match the price.
Why is that?
When you book on another website, the hotel pays money to that site. If you book direct, there is no extra fee.
So the hotel can give that money to me.
Exactly. And booking direct is often easier to change later.
That is useful.
Shall I book the room?
Yes, please. 1 room, 2 nights at $110 per night.
Wonderful. May I have a phone number for the booking?
Sure. It is 555-213-4976.
Let me repeat. 555-213-4976. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. Check-in is from 3 in the afternoon. Check-out is by 11.
Got it. 3 in and 11 out.
Your room is booked. We look forward to seeing you next Friday.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day, Miss Lee.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Of course, sir. What can I do for you?
The Wi-Fi in my room is not working. I have tried for 30 minutes.
Oh no, I am so sorry about that. Let me help you right now.
I have an online meeting in 1 hour. I really need the internet.
I understand. That is very hard. Can you tell me your room number?
Room 508. I tried the password 3 times. It just does not connect.
Thank you for telling me. So the password is correct, but the Wi-Fi will not connect?
Yes, and the signal looks very weak in my room.
I am so sorry for the trouble. Let me get that fixed for you.
Thank you. I just need it to work before my meeting.
Of course. First, I will send a small router to your room.
A small router? Just for my room?
Yes, it's a portable one. The signal will be strong, right next to your laptop.
Oh, that sounds great. How long will it take?
A staff member will bring it in about 10 minutes. Is that okay?
10 minutes is fine. I still have time before the meeting.
I will also tell our tech team about the weak signal on the 5th floor.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
While you wait, you can use the Wi-Fi in the lobby. It is very fast here.
Good idea. I might come down with my laptop.
Please do, and again, I am very sorry for the trouble today.
No, you are helping me a lot. Thank you for being so kind.
Thank you for your patience, Mr. Brooks. The router will be in your room very soon.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Please let me know if anything else comes up.
Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Of course. How can I help you?
I am here for 2 days. I want to see the city. Where is a good place to start?
A great question. Are you interested in old buildings, parks, or shopping?
I love old buildings and history.
Then I recommend the Old Town. It is only 15 minutes from here on foot.
Oh, that is close. Can I walk there?
Yes, it is a very easy walk. Go left from the hotel, then straight for about 10 blocks.
Left, then straight. Got it.
When you arrive, look for the big church in the center. The streets around it are very pretty.
That sounds wonderful. And where is a good restaurant nearby?
There's a small Italian place 2 blocks from here. The pasta is very good.
Do I need to book a table?
For lunch, no. For dinner, yes. It gets busy after 6.
Good to know. I will go for lunch then.
Perfect. Let me draw it on a map for you.
Thank you. You know everything about this area.
Not everything, but I have worked here for a few years.
Are you the concierge?
Not exactly, but I can help. The word concierge actually means doorkeeper in Old French.
Oh, really?
A long time ago, the concierge kept the keys to a big house.
So they opened the door for guests?
Right, and today the concierge in big hotels still helps guests with everything.
Like a modern doorkeeper.
Yes, in some top hotels, the best concierges wear 2 small gold keys on their jackets.
2 gold keys. Why?
It's a special group. They know the city very well.
That is amazing. I learned something new today.
Here's your map. Enjoy the old town and the pasta.
Thank you, Ethan. You made my day.
You are very welcome.
Good afternoon. I would like to check in, please.
Good afternoon. Welcome back, Miss Carter. It is so nice to see you again.
Oh, you remember me. Thank you.
Of course. We always remember our regular guests.
That is very kind. I always feel welcome here.
Let me find your room. One moment.
Take your time.
Here we are. And, Miss Carter, I have some special news.
Oh? What kind of news?
This is your 10th stay with us.
My 10th? Really? I did not even count.
Yes, 10 times. We keep a record of every stay in our system.
You remembered all of them. That is so sweet.
10 stays is a special number for us.
This hotel feels like a second home.
Thank you. That is the best thing a hotel can hear.
How lovely.
We put a small gift in your room to say thank you, some fresh fruit, and a card from the team.
Oh, you did not have to do that. That is so very kind.
You are very welcome. We are happy to have you back.
I will read the card tonight with a cup of tea.
That sounds perfect. Your room is 702 on the 7th floor.
My favorite floor, quiet and high.
We remembered that too. Here is your key.
Thank you, Ethan. You are so kind.
My pleasure, Miss Carter. The elevator's on your right.
And please tell the team thank you for the gift.
I will tell them right away. They will be so happy.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too, Miss Carter. Please call the front desk if you need anything.
I will. Thank you again.
Wow, what a day. My feet are tired.
Mine too. But you did a great job today.
Thank you. I learned so much.
What did you learn?
Many things. I learned why checkout is at 11 and check-in is at 3. The cleaning team needs that time.
Good. What else?
I learned that business guests still want paper receipts and how to handle a Wi-Fi problem. Listen, say sorry, fix it, and say thank you.
That is the way. You did it very well with Mr. Brooks.
I was a little nervous, but he was very kind.
Most guests are kind if you are honest and helpful.
That is a good lesson, and the Miss Carter moment was so sweet.
Yes, 10 stays. That is something to celebrate. Now we need to hand over to the evening shift.
Okay, what do they need to know?
First, all check-ins for today are done. The lobby will be quiet for a few hours.
Good.
Second, room 508 had a Wi-Fi problem. The tech team is looking at the 5th floor.
Right. I will write that in the notes.
Third, Miss Carter is in room 702. The team gave her a welcome gift.
I will mention that too. Anything else?
Just a small note about the phone booking for next Friday. The name is Lee.
Got it. I will add Miss Lee to the notes.
After the evening shift, the night audit starts at 11.
Night audit? What is that?
It's a special shift. They check all the money for the day and finish the money work.
Oh, so they check the money at night.
Yes, hotels are open 24 hours, so we have morning, evening, and night audit.
3 shifts. The hotel never sleeps.
That's right. There's always someone at the front desk.
Guests can always find help. That is a good feeling.
Exactly. Okay, the evening team is here. Let's go home.
Thank you for today, Ethan. I learned a lot.
See you tomorrow morning, Hannah.
Have a good evening.
You too. Get some rest.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many times has the VIP guest, Miss Carter, stayed at this hotel? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.